एकता नगरात घरफोडी प्रकरणात वास्को पुलिसांनी खापो चोर मायकल मार्टिन हाका दुबावा वयल्यान मंगळारा अटक केली। वास्को वाठारांतल्या तानिया हॉटेलाच्या मुखार उबो आशिल्लो पळयतुकीच वास्को पुलिसांनी ताका धरपाचो यत्न केलो, पूण पुलिसांक पळयतुकूच चोरान पळ काडली। मात निमणे कडेन पाठलाग करून धरपाक पुलिसांक ताका येस आयले।
Today, while on patrolling, our intelligence staff received information that one accused, means one habitual offender who is involved in many theft cases previously, by name Michael Martins, age about 28, is moving in Vasco area. So they started to collect the intelligence, and when they reached near the Tanya Hotel, they found the said Martins is standing there. So when they called him, by seeing the staff, he started to run. So after that, our intelligence staff followed him and detained him. And when he was asked about his presence in that area, he failed to give the satisfactory answers. Further, he was brought at the police station for the interrogation, as there is presently one house burglary is reported in Vasco area, in Ekta number Dabolim, wherein gold ornaments worth ₹6 lakh is stolen from the one house, and other 3 to 4 houses were damaged. The lock was damaged and effected entry into the house. So now we have arrested the said accused, Michael Martins, in our crime which we had registered, and our further investigation is in progress. It came to also notice that he is involved in many theft cases in Marmugao area. So if required, the other police stations will also take him, and we will also interrogate him in other crimes also.
Section sir?
In that we have registered a crime under section 454 380 IPC.
Okay.
So their interrogation चालू है कि कोरोना है?
Yes, he is going on.
तो अजय को लगा arrest किया?
Yes, he is involved in many crimes. Before previously he was arrested.